If you are not keeping this one thing organized, it could affect your entire home. Any guesses? As a home organizer, I've helped organize hundreds of homes, and I am sharing 24 easy organizing ideas you can actually do to get organized this year. I've really been trying to show you guys areas of my home before I tidy them up, so that way you can see that organization is not about perfection. However, it's so important to me to have the front area of my home tidy that I couldn't leave it messy for you. Sorry. Really notice that if we let this area go, it gives everyone permission to let the clutter creep into the rest of the house, and then that just makes me really anxious. I'm going to show you some organization tricks that I've used in my front entrance, and I've used in countless clients as well, to help them organize their space no matter how big or small it might be. Use your vertical space, every inch of it, whether that's hooks on a wall like this, smaller ones like this. I even use the back of the closet. So put hooks on the inside of your doors. I really want to detect your drop zones. What do I mean by that? I have a stair basket. Anytime any junk mail comes in, it goes right into there so we can get rid of it. We have a lot of stuff that has to go out. So returns, things that go back to school, to daycare. I like to keep a spot for that. It doesn't need to look like that. It can be a bin, a basket, whatever works in your home. I always try to make things as easy as possible so it's easy to maintain. That's why these are all baskets. There's no lids on anything. It's easy for them to pull their stuff out, grab a hat, grab their mitts, grab whatever they need, and it's easy for them to put back at the end of the day. The last thing I do, and this tends to be the biggest challenge that I see, to limit your stuff based on your space. Realistically, in any space we're talking about organizing, you always need to limit your stuff so that it fits in the space you have. But in the front entrance, I find it especially important. Being a family of 6 in a place that has all 4 seasons, we need to really limit what we have. It's not having a crazy amount of shoes, not having a crazy amount of coats or purses or hats or mittens or whatever it is, and setting those limits is the best way to maintain organization. Organization does not need to be perfection, but it does need to be maintainable. So think about what you can do that would make it easy to maintain for your home, for your lifestyle, for your family, and try to implement that in your front entrance. Follow along to get organized with me.